Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, I wanted to show you a stitch. It's called moss stitch. Well, it's one of the variation of the moss stitch. Well, for a beginner, I think it's, okay. It's good for a beginner. Well, this stitch works with, let's say, multiples of 2. So I chain here 16. The first chain, this one here, we're gonna skip, and in the second here we're gonna do a slip stitch. Well, to do a slip stitch, you're gonna go inside the chain, you're gonna grab the yarn, pull the yarn through the chain, and now you have 2 loops. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take this loop and pull through that one. The next stitch, we're gonna do a half double crochet. To do that, yarn over the hook, you go into the next stitch, insert your hook, grab the yarn, and now you have 3 loops. So you're gonna take the yarn and you're gonna pull through all these 3 loops. Okay, next stitch we're gonna do a slip stitch. So insert your hook, grab the yarn, and pull this one through this. Again, we're gonna do a half double crochet. Next chain, we're gonna insert the hook, pull the yarn through all 3 loops, and again you're gonna go to the next and we're gonna do a slip stitch. You're gonna alternate a slip stitch, half double crochet. It's very easy for a beginner. It's just right. So the next one is gonna be a slip stitch. Okay, next one is half double crochet, and you're gonna go inside the chain, grab the yarn and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. And again, the next one is going to be a slip stitch and half double crochet. The next chain, now it's the slip stitch, half double crochet the next chain, next one is slip stitch, half double crochet in the next, okay, and the last chain, because you started with the slip stitch, you're gonna finish with a slip stitch, the last chain. Chain 1, always you're gonna chain 1 at the end. Turn your work, and because you started the row with a slip stitch and you finish with a slip stitch, the next row you're gonna do in the first stitch here, you're gonna do half double crochet, and you're gonna finish with a half double crochet. Okay, now the next stitch, it's slip stitch, next one is half double crochet, next stitch, next one is slip stitch, and next stitch it's half double crochet. Okay, slip stitch in the next stitch and half double crochet in the next, slip stitch in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next, try to leave especially the slip stitch. When you're gonna do the slip stitch, leave the the loop. Like now we have the slip stitch, this one should be a little bit loose, because when you're gonna go return, it's gonna be really difficult to poke in. Okay, now half double crochet, now slip stitch, and you're gonna alternate like this. Now half double crochet, and now slip stitch, and because you started the second row with half double crochet, the last stitch you're gonna do half double crochet. Yeah. Let me see if it's gonna let me. Yeah, the first one, when you do, especially the slip stitch, make sure that you have it, you know, a little bit loose, because it's not easy to get in. I'm gonna lift this a little bit like this. Oh, it's not easy. Yeah, especially if the crochet hook is a little bit fat, it's not gonna let you go through. Yeah. Okay, chain 1. And now again, because we finish with half double crochet, the next row, first stitch, you're gonna do slip stitch. Yeah, you're gonna go inside and you're gonna do a slip stitch. The next one is half double crochet. The next one is slip stitch, half double crochet the next stitch, and the next one it's slip stitch, half double crochet, and the next is slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch in the next stitch. Now it's half double crochet, slip stitch in the next, half double crochet in the next stitch, and in the next it's slip stitch, half double crochet in the next, and the last one, because you started with slip stitch, you're gonna finish with the last one here, you're gonna finish with slip stitch. Chain 1, and you're gonna keep doing like this on and on and on, and you're gonna have like this. Yeah, it's the same, the back and front is the same style. So yeah, well, this one I worked with what, 5mm, and this one I worked with 6mm crochet hook, you know, the sample that I just showed you. Yeah, it's really nice for a blanket or a cardigan, if you like, or a scarf even. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope you enjoy. Have a pleasant day.